Hi, this is Mrs. Cadena. This video is for Aliana and Edgar. Hi guys, I'm glad to see you on the Chromebook. I just wanted to show you our, kind of show you around our Google Classroom and see if this helps you guys at all. So this is your Clever page. You guys know what this looks like. If you scroll down, you'll find Google Classroom. I want you to click on Google Classroom. I think you both have already done that, but I wanted to show you around this Google Classroom. So you're going to get something that looks like this. Mrs. Cadena's third grade class. Up at the top, you're going to see four tabs. The first one is Stream, Classwork, People, and Grades. Don't worry about the grading part of it. I just really want you to focus on the Stream and the Classwork tab. So this is the Stream. These are announcements that I post. So you can scroll through here to see any announcements that I posted for this week. Now, if you go back up here to Classwork tab, this is the important one for you too. You'll see all of our week's assignments. You guys are just getting on right now, so I don't want you to worry about going back to any of the old weeks. I just want you to focus on week 6, the one we're in right now. If you click on week 6 calendar, you'll see all the assignments for the whole week. So the assignments are pretty much the same. Every day I want you to get onto Epic and read for 20 minutes. If you need the class code, I'll put it right here for you. What is the class code? I'll put it here for you. If not, email me and I'll give it to you. And then I want you guys to do an Achieve article every single day. I don't want you to do 8 or 4 or 7. I only want you to do 1 article every day, and I just want you to focus on trying to get 75% or better. Okay? That's for reading. For math, every day I want you to get on Moby Max. You guys know how to do this, but let me remind you if you forgot. You want to click on Clever, click on Moby Max, and then mine looks a little bit different from yours because it's the teacher version, but you're going to look for Fact Fluency. This little picture here with the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And I want you to set your guys a timer for yourself every day for 10 minutes to practice your math facts. Get really good at them. Get really fast. Okay? Back to the calendar. Then I want we're going to learn about geometry this week. So Monday we learned about a parallelogram. So if you click this little link, it'll take you to a YouTube video about what is a parallelogram. You watch it as many times as you need to. And then I want you to do this IXL lesson, V6L. So go back to Clever, click on IXL, and then type in V6L. And it should be something about parallelograms. Yes. So I want you to do this, and you're trying to get a SMART score of 85 or higher. Okay? And go back to the weekly calendar. And then for writing, you're also going to be doing an IXL. It's a review of what a question, a statement, command, or exclamation is. So for Monday, you guys would have clicked on this YouTube video, watched this video about questions, statements, commands, and exclamations, and then I want you to go back to the IXL, NRP, and I want you to do the lesson. So I can't believe she would say that. Is that an exclamation or a question? Well, I look and I say, oh, I see an exclamation point. That's definitely an exclamation, and submit your answers there. Again, you're trying to get a SMART score of 85 or higher. That's what your goal is. Okay, I'm going to come back to the calendar. Last thing on Monday was to watch this Mystery Science video and take the quiz. So if you go back to the Google Classroom, you'll see Other items under this week 6 that you'll find useful. One of them is a mystery science. Aliana already took this, so that's great. So what you're going to do is you're going to watch this video about why birds lay eggs in the springtime, not the winter or the fall. And then you're going to watch the video, just like we do in class. And then I want you to take this quiz. So you're going to click on the quiz, answer the 5 questions, and submit it to me. Okay? Other things that you guys might find helpful this week is there's a math anchor chart. So like I said, we were talking about quadrilaterals and geometric shapes this week. So here is an anchor chart for you guys to look at. And it tells you, look, these are the attributes of a rectangle. These are the attributes of a parallelogram. These are the attributes of a rhombus. So this is something you can come back to if you're getting stuck on that IXL. What else do we have? Edgar, this is for you. This one's in Spanish. If you think mom and dad can help you. Same idea, just in Spanish for you. Also, Mrs. Shanklin's having story time, Zoom story time, every single day at 11 o'clock. So try tomorrow to jump into Mrs. Shanklin's story time. Aliana, you can go to that too. Edgar, you can go to that. Anyone is invited. There's lots of people in our class who are doing that. And then lastly, Coach put together some PE videos that you guys can take a look at and watch with your families. Okay? So I just wanted to show you what our Google Classroom is about. Like I said, this classwork tab is your best friend. This is your calendar for the whole week, and it just tells you exactly what I'd like you to do. Okay? If you have any questions, email me, and I will answer them. All right, guys, I hope you're staying safe. Bye.